So there is this big. Okay, Goddess Kali giving blessings to people. Okay, so I am here again in the camel fair and I can see a lot of camels. The desert. Pushkar is such a happening place right now. Hey, on the camel. Okay, enjoying the camel ride. Okay, so I'm on the camel and this guy is on the horse. My camel is way bigger than his horse. Okay, so I am here and here is this ground where the shooting of a film Karan Arjun was held. And it's a very touristy spot that people just kind of like visit here. They do the gypsy safari and stuff like that, and they do horse riders. But I am here and even the owner of the camel has left. He is just there and I'm just all alone enjoying this elevation of the camel, and it's just so fun with all this. Look at the mountain behind, look at these scenes. Everything is so remarkable here. And this guy playing is
अरे 5,000 तो ले मोटे
हो भाई, खूब लक्ष्मी कमा, मालिक आपको खूब राजी रखे, खूब कमाइयों में बहुत राजी हूँ।
I am on this sunset point and it is very beautiful. And I was a bit surprised to see this side of Pushkar. I am here traveling since like 2 or 3 days and I just didn't see this until now. I was very surprised. And this very tidy and a neat area. I just keep saying that because it is. There are people trying to sell things, and there are people who are buying, and then there are backpackers and there are like regular tourists. So I have few people here, they are selling the camels. ये आपका कौन सा camel है?
ये वाला है.
ये वाला है. Okay, so this is his camel. और कब से आया आप यहाँ पे?
6-7 रोज हो गई.
6-7 रोज हो गई. और ये कैमल कितने में जाता है?
ये कैमल जाएगा जी 40,000. 38-40,000.
40,000 rupees for a camel. Check this out, beauty. So okay, I am here and here there are horses and I have this guy with me. आपका नाम क्या है?
बंशी जी आई.
बंशी जी. ये सारे घोड़े आपके?
हाँ, हमारा ही.
अच्छा, आप कहाँ से है?
चित्तौड़ से आए.
चित्तौड़ से. ओके. ये घोड़ा कौन सा है?
ये नुगरी.
नुगरी.
हाँ जी.
अच्छा, क्या बात है. ये आप सेल करने आए हैं?
सेल नहीं, ये सेल करने का नहीं है, घर से ही रखा है.
अच्छा. So this horse, even if you like, you cannot buy because this horse is not for sale. काफी सुंदर है ना?
हाँ, काफी सुंदर. ये देखो.
और हमें नस्ल बताइए कौन से घोड़े हैं आपके पास में?
ये अबलक है.
अबलक?
हाँ, अबलक है.
अबलक नस्ल है?
हाँ, नस्ल है, जाट वाले, ब्रीड वाले.
अच्छा. अबलक. ओके, ये ब्रीड करने के लिए रखे आप?
हाँ, नहीं, 2 महीने की सुपर है. बच्ची है, अदंत है.
बच्ची है?
अदंत है.
ओके, शी जस्ट 2 months old. कैन यू बिलीव?
जी.
ओके. और ये
हमारी.
इसका नाम क्या है?
नाम बताओ.
नाम
Lakshmi. Okay, this is so beautiful. Black horse, so beautiful. Let's check some of the horses here. And yeah. So again, there is this big horse. These horses are like a bigger in size and I was scared. So this is a Haveli of Thakur Sahab in the Karan Arjun movie. Wow. Okay, so beautiful wind is blowing here and it is I have this with me. क्या नाम है इसका? देव। और इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? प्राइस क्या है इसकी? कीमत? 251 क्या? 2,51,000, like 2,51,000 rupees for this beautiful horse. Buy it from, आपका नाम?
कालू।
Buy it from Mr. Kalu. Yeah, thank you. So many people. What are they doing? Let's check out. So there is this big thing. Wow. So that's why everyone wants to look at him. And then I don't think anyone can control when he's out of control. Yeah. Beautiful creature. Alright, so I am in Pushkar in the animal fair, and I have a friend who owns the horses, and I requested him so that he can bring the horses here. And the energy is so high here at this place. People from all over India just coming to with their horses and with their animals. And let's check. This guy has the horse for us. Oh yeah, I'm just a bit afraid. So this is the world famous Brahma temple in Pushkar, and so many pilgrims are visiting this place.